What's up, everybody? So, as you guys can see, that in my analytics, I have backtested January, and I took 22 trades in January, 12 were winners, 9 were losses. I started this account with a balance of $5,000, and now I am on $1,700, which is quite good. 34% I've made in January 2025. I am backtesting this from January 2025 till December 2026. Sorry, till December 2025. I took around 22 trades, and these were the stats. So yeah, now I am moving to February, and in this February month I'm gonna uh, screen record this, and I'm gonna put it all on this. Okay, let's go. Let's dive in. Hmm. It's gonna be slow, but yeah. I'm having a coke as well, so you guys might hear the sound of that shit. Let's just delete this. And this is Friday. Let's go to the next pre-London. This is pre-London. It's 2 hours prior to the London session. Yeah. Now let's delete all the zones. Yeah. So this is basically 10 o'clock. 12 a.m. is 12 p.m. is the London sessions opening, and this is pre-London. And if I'm just gonna go to 30 seconds, make this to 15 minute, and let's just reset it once again. Yeah, so this is 9:30. Now just seeing this, see, I'm not focusing on the 4 hour, 1 hour. So yeah, it's for me it's basically useless. I'm just focusing on the 30 minute. As you guys can see that there's a support formation over here, and there's clean range as well for price to move up. There is a support formation as well over here, but I think it's a good setup, man. Let's just scale down to 15 minutes. Let's see if there are some rejections. Yeah, over here there is a bit rejection. If we just break and close above this thing, then we can push past and we can gain all this 100 pips range. Let's just zoom this in and just wait for the next candles. So this is the next 30-minute candle. Okay, so this has went and closed above this range. Now this is clean range, and if I scale down to the M15, it has broken and closed above. So at this point there's clean range for price to move up. It seems a bit risky, but I'm gonna take a trade over here. The stop loss is also very high. I'm gonna take a trade with less risk. Okay, let's just take this trade with less risk. Let's just place order and just take a trade with 1%. Wait, it's just loading. Okay, let's see. Now I'm gonna, to make it more realistic, I am gonna play it with 10 seconds. Now the trade is playing. Let's see what happens. Currently the next candle is making a low. Let's see what happens. It is making a deeper low. Let's fast forward it a bit. Okay, so at this point there's a 15-minute candle which closed bearish. Oh, okay. At this point, what I am gonna do is that I'm gonna trail this stop loss to this candle, so that even if it retraces, I lose less, and my target is over there. Let's just let it play. It has closed a bearish candle, bullish candle. Let's see. Okay, let's wait. So at this point, I'm gonna even trade it till this low. I have almost break evened it. To be really honest, I'm just gonna break even it, because even if it comes back to break even, then there's a higher probability of this low to be taken out, right? So let's just break even this trade. Now I'm in $30 profit, which is almost negligible, and there is a less probability now for the price to move up, because as you can see, guys can see, there is like less volume, and candles are closing with low bodies and lesser wicks. So let's just play. So there is less sorry probability for the price to move up now. I think so. Yeah. Oh, it's moving up. Okay. Okay. So at this point, I made around how much money? I made around $100 in this trade. But to be really honest, how much time did this trade took? 30 minutes, 31 hours, 2 hours. This trade took around 3 hours to hit my TP. So yeah, I might not hold this much on Monday, but yeah, man, let's go. It's very important to like have confidence in yourself. Now, this is the next day. This is Tuesday. Let's see what happens in Tuesday. So, in Tuesday, price action. If I just mark zones, this is the latest support. Price is approaching a support. This is our resistance. Let's see what happens. Right now, what I am waiting for is, I have two scenarios in mind. First scenario is that if this breaks and closes below this range, then there is clean range for the price to push down. How many pips is this? This is around 40 pips. Yeah, it's a good range. If I just get down to 15 minute, yeah, this is a really good range for price to move down. Let's just readjust the zones. No, I think it's fine over here. Yeah. So if price closes and breaks and closes below this thing, I can go for a short. But even if it comes back in this support zone and it creates a bullish candle, then how much pips is this range? Is this range a trading range? Yeah, this is also a trading range. So there are two scenarios right now in my mind. I'm waiting for two things at this point. If price comebacks, makes a good bullish candle on 30 minute, then there's a clean range for price to move up. If it breaks below this zone and it creates a bearish candle and breaks this zone, then there's clean range for price to move down. And then the second scenario is that if it goes and breaks above this thing, it has a clean range for price to move up. So at this point, it's really early to say anything. Let's just wait for the price action to develop. Okay, so this is 10:14. Price has broken and closing below this thing, but I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna wait. Okay, so 10:30 as well. This was the thing. It went and closed below this. I think that we can take a short over here, but still I think that it is a lower, like, it's not my A plus setup at this point because there's a wick, and I'm just gonna like put it over here. Stop loss will be somewhere over here. Risk will be again only 1% because at this point you guys can see that there was a wick. It can go and it can potentially fill this wick. I think I should just go with 2%. Let's just. Oh, sorry, man. Bro, I skipped 15 minutes. My mistake. I really try to simulate it like as if it is actually developing so that I can have that emotion with me. Let's just see if it goes. Okay, at this point, if price is breaking and it's about to reach here, then there is no business for the price to go above and break its high. So I'm just gonna trail my stop loss over here so that even if I lose my trade, I'm gonna lose less money on this. So this is how I manage my risk. Okay, now let's just simulate it. Price went and broke. There's a very high probability I'm gonna hit my TP on this. Very, very high probability. And I have hit it. So yeah, man. How much did I make it this trade? Made around $163. Bro, I don't know, man. I am so exponentially profitable during backtesting. And this is how I'm backtesting. Like, I haven't seen these charts before. Nothing. Just doing it, coming over here. I think I'm flawlessly executing over here. That's the reason why. Or maybe, man. I just don't know. Yeah, so at this point, you can see that it hit my TP. And let's see what happens next. Let's just see. Oh man, it's breaking the zone as well. Oh, just wait. At this point, I think price can break, come till here as well. But I'm not gonna take another entry over here because I have already done that shit. Let's just. वैसे तो it has a, yeah, that was a good decision. No, yeah, man, done for the day. Let's just go to another day. Okay, so now you guys can see that there's a very trending bullish scenario over here, clean bullish. Now at this point, because the trend is very clear, I'm gonna look for buys. I might look for a counter trend trade if there's a support and that support is broken. Let's just wait. What I am actually focusing on right now is that price comes back to this level, creates a support and then goes up, or maybe it can come back to this level, make a support and then go up. Let's just wait. This is 10 a.m. right now. Okay, it came back down. Yeah, now this is 10:30. It came down, created a support, but as you guys can see that there's a resistance over here as well. So now half of this range has already been filled with this bullish candle, right? So now if I take a buy over here, let's suppose I take a buy over here, how big will be my stop loss? My stop loss will be around 26 pips. And how much is my target? My target is around 15 pips, which is negative. And here there's a rejection, so I don't think that this is a good trade to take. Let's just wait patiently. Okay, now it's 10:45. Still I'm not gonna take a trade. Now This is a 30-minute candle. It's a very big 30-minute candle. Bro, what the hell? Oh shit. I have messed things up. I was looking at the 15 minute. I had to look at the 30 minute. Wait. I'm just gonna replay it a bit. I'm gonna be at 30 minute. This is 9:14. Let's just skip to 9:30. Yeah, this is, yeah. Okay, so this is where I was seeing. Now this is the London session, and now I was waiting for price to come down and make a support, right? This was the candle which made a support. Okay, so this was the candle which made a support. Now, if you guys see, there's not such resistance over here as well, because this is a clean bullish scenario. Now I have seen the trade result, but if I was trading it live, I have learned this thing. Now this, I'm not gonna count this trade as if I am like making a lot of profits on this, but during backtesting I'm gonna take this trade because this is a good trade to take, because this is trending bullish scenario. Price came back, formed a support, and now it's going up. So now how big will be my stop loss? I can place it on the 15 minute. It's pretty much there as well. You guys get what I'm saying, right? This is a trending bullish scenario. Price is trending, clean ranges. Let's just place it till 1:2. Yeah, till here. Place order. Now you guys can say that I have already seen this trade result before, but despite that as well, I would have taken this trade. The in previously I was watching 15 minute, but now, as you guys can see, that over here, this is, I think, the third trade which I have taken. As you guys can see that over here, this is my trade idea. Let's just focus on 30 seconds and let's just play this. How is it forming? Okay, one more thing which I have identified during this backtesting session is that if there is let's see the move. One more thing which I have identified during this backtesting session is that if there is this kind of a scenario where there was a bullish candle, then there's a bearish candle, and then immediately there is a bullish candle. So over here you guys can see that there is a support formed. So yeah, this is something good. Let's just skip it. I am trying to see one more thing over here. Okay, now as you guys can see that this is a resistance. Now I'm not gonna take a short over here because this is nothing. You cannot take a short on a bullish trend with just one resistance. You need to wait for a support to form, and then if that support breaks, only then I'm gonna take a short over here. I'm just seeing this. This is by chance this has hit in that TP, but I would not have taken any shots over here. Let's just go to the next day and let's see what happens. Okay, so now at this point, let's just mark the recent supports and resistances. This is the recent resistance, and let's just see. I have made things really simple. I'm not seeing the 4, I'm not seeing the 1, I'm just focusing on the 30 minute. Now if I just read candles on 30 minute, I might just scale down to 15 minute. Yeah, this is a rejection wick, high chance for price to move down. Yeah, at this point I think it's a very good short setup right over here. Let's just risk 2% on this, because just see why I'm taking a short over here. Just 1:2. Why am I taking a short over here? First of all, there's a rejection wick. Price has rejected this area. Then It has formed, this was already a resistance over here, over here, over here. Now it formed a resistance, it formed a good resistance on 30 minute. I'm just gonna place a short over here. Let's just sell over here. Now let's see how much probability do I think that this trade is gonna hit TP. Let's just see. Bro, I think there is around 70% chance that this is gonna hit a TP. Let's just go on the 10 second and let's just let it play. Bro, it made a high, and then let's just fast forward it a bit. Yeah, it made a high. Oh bro, no man. Hey, wait, let's just wait. At this point, what do you think I'm gonna do? I am gonna trail this thing over here. See, it has made a high. Now it has no business to breach this high again, because if it's breaching this high again, it's definitely gonna breach this high. So at this point, I'm losing $76. If I had my stop loss over here, I would have lost $100. It's not that much of a difference, but still, it's 0.25%, right? It's 0.2. Basically, it's 0.5% of my account. It's a difference of $25. These percentages gonna help you in the longer run. So this is how you control your risk. Let's just see. Let's just wait. At this point, what am I gonna do? Yeah, man, I think everything is perfect at this point. In order to go down, it should not breach this high. Now I think it's definitely gonna go down. Yeah, man. Oh, shit. What do you think I'm gonna do at this point? Bro, let's just wait, I think. Was there something else? No. I think that everything is fine over here. Let's just trail it to this thing. That's the only thing I'm gonna do. I think it's gonna take me out. Yeah. Took my stop loss. Now in this trade as well, I was in this much profits, right? Now what do we do on these setups? Which day was this? This was Thursday. You have put a setup, everything is going in your plan. What will you do over here? I asked myself this question, and my answer is that follow a trading plan. What was my trading plan? My trading plan is that in Monday and Tuesdays I book early profits, and in Wednesday and Thursdays I let the trade run. So this was a Thursday. So yeah, man, it's fine. But you know what? I would have break even this shit, because if it is breaking and it's hitting my TB, it's almost near my TB, then it's a sin for me to lose on this trade. I might just exit at break even. So once it was somewhere over here, I would have already break even this. So yeah, that would be my game plan. What's the time over here? Okay, it's still above. It's still prior the London Open. Let's just wait a bit. Okay, so this is 11:30. No man, I'm not gonna buy until this thing breaks, because there are a lot of rejections over here. If a candle breaks and closes above this, then I can buy, or I can see if there's enough range. Okay, no. 11:30. Wait, I'm messing it up. Oh fuck. This thing went and it rejected again. A very chop. Oh shit, man, just see this. Just see this, bro. This happens to you. Yeah. Now this is London Open. What do you think I'm gonna do at this point? I might take a buy. And how much did I lose this day? I lost around $70. I think I can take a buy over here because there's a big correction. This is a support. M30 candle has formed over here. There's clean range for the price to move up. I think it will be a very good buy. Let's just execute a buy. My trading plan says that I'm just gonna take 1 to 2 trades a day. Ideally, I just take one trade, but yeah, I'm gonna place my stop loss on this candle. Let's just place it on this candle, and my target will be somewhere over here. 1:3. Let's just place 2%. Looks perfect to me. I've seen these setups many times. Let's just scale it to the 30 second and let's just let it play. Oh shit. Lost another $100 this day. Okay, it's fine. There was a good there was a good bearish scenario over here. Okay, let's see what happened this day. Yeah, it corrected this move. It took a support from this level, from this support. Yeah, yeah. Idea was correct, but the support identification was bad because there were three supports over here. It took I didn't knew it from which support would it bounce back. So yeah, man, this trade was good, but yeah, probability. Let's just move to the next London session. And over here, what did I do? Over here, this looks a very good day, bro. I think I'm gonna make money on this day. Let's just delete zones so that I can just get free from this noise. What is this? This is a resistance. Let's see the latest support over here. What is this? Let's just deep, dive deep into this thing. Let's just see the 15-minute market structure. If I see the 15-minute market structure, price, this was a consolidation range, and Asian session was pretty bullish, and then it went silent. It started to consolidate. Price came back. It broke below this thing. Now there's a clean range for price to move down. Seems perfect to me. I think I'm gonna execute a sell right over here. Right over here. But the stop loss is very big, bro. The stop loss is really big. 33 pip stop loss doesn't make any sense. I think I'm gonna maybe scale down to the 5 minute and see for a smaller stop loss. Let's just put a stop loss somewhere over here, and let's just go with 1% risk because the stop loss is uh, it's very big, and I'm going with 1% risk because there's a higher chance of me getting stopped out as well because the stop loss is big. Yeah, but I thought that the chances of me being stopped out is really big. Yeah, let's just place order 1%. Let's just see. Wait, Okay, now at this point I'm gonna just uh, take it to this level, because now one candle has closed in and there's a good chance for the price to go down. Price is falling, it's free falling right now. Price is free falling right now. I might just break even this as well, or I might just put it somewhere over here. I'm gonna trail the stop loss over here. Yeah, let's just let it play. At this point, if I see the 15-minute market structure, yeah man, it's free fall. Gold is free falling right now. Let's just go to the 30-minute. Yeah man, it's just about waiting right now. Clean range for the price to move down. I risked around 1%. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay, so on the 15-minute, this was the first candle which was formed. You know what I'm gonna do? I am gonna take this and I'm gonna trail it to somewhere over here, so that if it starts to breach this high, I'm just gonna exit. Because if price has to go down, it shouldn't reach this high, because this is a support formation on the 15-minute, and in order to be just safe, I'm gonna keep it on this level. And basically I had just risked 1% and I have already made $145, which is 3%. So yeah, that's good. Let's just let it run. I think it's gonna stop me out. Yeah, that was a great decision. That was a great decision. Man, that was a great decision. What happened next? Let me see. I think it's gonna hit my TP eventually. Yeah. But this thing, this bullish candle over here, this is disturbing, and I'm definitely gonna, from 110%, I'm gonna exit at this trend bearish candle, because over here it had also breached this high, so everything was perfect. I managed this trade as really well as well. Made around $145 in this trade. If I had risked around 2%, I would have made around $300. But I was rational and I thought, because see, it was 5 minutes. I had kept my stop loss to the 5-minute candle because it was being so high. So that's the reason why I just placed my stop loss on the 5-minute candle. So this was the first week of February. Let's just go to the next week of February. Let's just do a bit of analytics on this first week. How many trades did we take, and how much were winners and how many were losers? Let's see them. Let's analyze them. See, this is completely raw and real. I am taking trades based on my strategy. Made 8%. 99, 163, 203, $145. Yeah, this is because I have risked less in this first month as well, in this first week as well. Now, first week was profitable. Now going to the second week, I'm gonna be a bit more aggressive using my risk, because I already have made some buffer in this month. This is how I trade. Now I'm gonna go back to my sessions and we are gonna backtest again. It's so fun, man. So fun. Let's just do it, bro. I love this thing, man. This is a Raja Bank's concept, so that's the reason I have written over here SRC. Smart Raja Concepts. Man, he's a mentor to me. If I make something in trading, I really owe him, man. I have a lot of mentors, but yeah, he is the one which I follow the most. Okay, let's just scale down to the 30 minute. And okay, 30 minutes quite bullish. The higher highs and higher lows formation is going on over here. I'm gonna trade this. I'm just gonna have a break of 5-10 minutes because I'm gonna go to the washroom, and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, so I'm back. So at this point you guys can see that let's just clean all these zones. And at this point you guys can see that this is a support, this is a uptrend going on, and there is a resistance over here. Let's just scale down to 15 minutes to see more market structure. Yeah, that's pretty much fine. There's a slight support over here, but that's I think irrelevant. Let's just move to the 15 minute and let's just wait for a 15 minute candle to close. Let's just wait for one more. Okay, so this is a 30-minute candle closure. Is there any resistance over here? No, I think it's just a pullback for the price to move up. Maybe. Let's just wait. At this point I'm not gonna open a short. It has created a resistance, but still I'm not gonna open a short because this is an uptrend. If there's a support formed and then that support breaks, only then I'm gonna open a short. Just wait for one 30-minute candle again. This is another 30-minute candle. Oh, see. So at this point, this is another support which has been formed over here. This is a rejection wick as well. So it means that it's further confirming that the price is about to move up. Now at this point, I think that it'll be a good buy to take. Let's just take a buy. Looks really good. Take a buy over here, but the stop loss is really big as well. What should I do, man? Then stop loss is around 30 pips. No, stop loss is too big. Wait, let's just then wait for this 30-minute candle to form. Let's just wait for this 30-minute candle to form, and we'll just wait. As it starts to form, it'll first go and make a low, and then it's gonna breach this high. So I'm gonna execute once it has made a low and it starts to breach its own high. Okay, so this is the candle. It has started to go up. It's going and making a low. Okay, right at this point I'm gonna execute a buy. I'm gonna place the stop loss somewhere over here. It's still very immature, but I'm gonna place a stop loss over here, and I'm just gonna aim for 1:2. Yeah, that's it. And let's just go with 2% risk. Yeah, I think it's fine. Now let's just wait. Let's just oh, bro, what am I even doing at this point? Man, it started to breach the high, kept a low over here. Bro, it's straight up hitting my TPs, man. And I'm not watching this on some other screen. So yeah, this is what happened. Oh man. This was a resistance. it is not respecting the resistance at all. Yeah. Oh bro. Oh man. Oh man. Oh fuck. Oh bro, what the hell happened over here? This was a booby trap entry as well. Impulse entry and in trend. I could have entered over here as well, but the stop loss was being so big. That's the reason I waited. So yeah, made around another. How much did I make? Made around $200. Let's just move to the next day. Bro, I have to speed it up, man. I'm just on 11th February. I have to complete this month in this video. Let's just reset this thing. What is happening? What the hell is this? This is a resistance, and I think this is a support. Let's just wait. Just waiting at this point. Waiting for one candle to finish. Okay. Waiting for another candle to finish. Now this is a 30-minute candle which has finished, but I'm not gonna take a buy over here because the range is not enough and the stop loss will be too big as well. Waiting again. Okay, so at this point I'll wait for a closure above this range. Okay, it hasn't closed above this thing, but now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna impulsively enter once the next candle makes a low and it starts to reach this high. You get what I'm saying, right? I'm gonna do exactly that. Okay, let's just. Oh, bro. Bro. It didn't even make a low before. It didn't make a low. Let's just wait. Bro, oh, what the hell is this? Oh man, what the hell is happening? Oh, bro. It has actually rejected this thing. I can look for a short now. Till this level. If this thing closes bearish. Let's just wait for 15 minutes again. Hi, oh, bro, that's what I was saying. Didn't take any trade this day. I could have taken a buy over here, made some profits, but yeah, didn't take a trade this day. Let's just move to the next day. Whoa, this is a clean bearish scenario. At this point, I'm just gonna focus on some resistances. This is a support. I'm just gonna focus on price creating resistances and then getting rejected from there. This is as resistance. The only possible situation for me to take a buy in this scenario is that there is a support formed and then there's a resistance formed and then that resistance is broken by a bullish candle confirmation. Only then I can look for a counter trend trade. At this point, what is happening? At this point, this was a resistance, then this was a support. It got rejected. It has already gone down a lot. So I'm just gonna wait for a 15 minute. This is a 30 minute. Okay. Oh shit. This is the next 30 minute. Let's just wait. Okay. Okay. Okay, man. I'm looking for shorts at this point, not looking to buy. Okay, this is a perfect scenario to buy, to sell. You know why? Waited for this setup. This is a clean Buddhist scenario, a clean bear scenario made a clean range, created a resistance, and now it can look sell. But you know, one thing which is concerning is that I don't think that there will be enough volume in this London Open. London Open has already happened, but still, I'm gonna take a trade. Let's just see what happens. I think it's just gonna consolidate and break and hit me at break even or just hit me my stop loss, but I'm still gonna take a trade because I am backtesting over here, or it might just go and hit my TV as well. Because what I have observed is that if pre-London and Asian session has been really volatile and it's giving moves, then London Open often remains quiet. It just consolidates. It has less volume. So over here, this whole move, this was in pre-London. Now in the London Open has already happened. So yeah, there's less probability, but just seeing that tra- trend, let's just see what happens. It might just hit as well. Oh, bro, it's going down. At this point, I'm just gonna trade my stop loss over here so that if I lose less. Oh, bro, should I secure some profits over here? Ah, bro, what the hell happened? This was funny because I was waiting. How much happened? To be really honest, I would have just exited out at break even at 1 to 2. This was it for me because expecting the price to move that much, it had already moved 50 pips. Yeah, so I'm just gonna maybe rewind and I'm gonna see the reason I'm gonna take this trade again and hit and put my target to 1 to 2 again is that because see these trades I'm gonna journal them, I'm gonna spot these setups again, and then I'm gonna see what will I do with them. To be really honest, I think I would not have sat at the charts at this point as well because London Open has already happened and price has created. Yeah, so this was the point where I executed, right. 1 to 2 was enough for me. I'm just gonna exit it because see already this has, and let's just see whether, yeah, there's a support on 15 minute. Yeah, this is the reason why the price bounced back. Yeah, man, I would have definitely closed in this trade over here. I didn't see the 15 minute. So yeah, let's just place this trade again. Let's just place this trade again. So what am I even doing? Am I am I this good? Let's just, so yeah, this is what happened. Let's just go to the next day. Wait, what happened? Over here, price is trying to approach this resistance, right? this resistance. It's just mark zones. Price is very bullish. Let's just wait. Let's just see some structure on 15 minute. Let's just wait right now. Okay, this has been a really big move. We'll wait for a, yeah. I'm definitely gonna take a buy, take a sell over here. Clean range got rejected from this resistance. Let's just take a sell over here. But one thing which is bad is that over here my stop loss is really big. Let's just put it somewhere over here. It's still really big. Should I take a trade? Let's just keep it over here. If to achieve 1:2, how much will I need? Bro, I'm just gonna scale it. No, bro, I'm just gonna keep it over here. Yeah, this is the trade. Let's just keep it simple. Might risk a bit less on this trade. Or no, I think I should risk the same because I'm already in profits. Everything looks seemingly perfect to me because see, there's a resistance, clean range, good, strong bearish candle as well. Everything looks perfect. I think there is a 90% chance for this trade to go and hit my TP. Let's just go over here and let it play. And let's just sit back and see what happens. Oh, bro. Started to breach that thing. Already in around $1 of profits, $20. 13 minutes have passed. 15 minutes have passed. Let's just wait. Okay. See, now there is no business for the price to go and breach this high. Or should I wait? I think I should wait. I think I should just wait. Okay. Now at this point, the 130 minute candle has closed. I'm just gonna trail my stop loss over here. Clean range, bro. Clean range. Breached it. Didn't even make a high. Bro. My stop loss was really big. I could have just kept it to the previous 15 minute. So I would have achieved my TPs already. But in reality, I don't use stop losses like this, and I don't use risk to reward ratios like this as well. I just use a fixed lot size and I trail my stop losses and manage my risk. Which day is this? This is Thursday. I'm gonna let this trade running. I'm gonna keep this trade running. Yeah, just let this trade run. Let's see what happens. Even if I lose $18. I might just break even it, in fact. Break even it. Oh man, I wanna break even it, bro. Alright. Yeah, let's just break even it. because now there's a higher chance for me getting stopped out. Yeah. So this was the trade. Like, you know what was the mistake in this trade? Price gave a decent move in my favor, a very decent move. See, expecting 90 pips in your direction every time is a lot. It already gave 53 pips. You know what? What could have been better? This shit could have been better. This thing could have been better. Okay. So break even day. Let's just move to the next day. Okay. So what happens today? This happens today. There's a resistance over here. Clean range has been already made. Let's just wait and let's just freaking execute. Okay. Now let's see the 30-minute. So this is 15-minute. I'm not trusting 15-minute. I want a 30-minute candle to close above this, but still there's a big wick, so I won't take a trade. Yeah, this candle closed. This also closed. Okay, now what is the next? This is the next resistance. I can take a trade over here, but bro, price has already moved a lot. Can take a trade with 1% risk. Stop loss is very high, it's very big as well. 32 pips stop loss. Just place a stop loss somewhere over here. This is a better stop loss. 1:2. I think I can go with 2% because now things looks good, and I'm already in profit, so there's no need for me to be conservative using my risk. Things look good. 30-minute time frame over here. Price is in uptrend, broke above this resistance, approaching this next resistance, and I have. Let's just see what happens. There's a high chance that it might even go down because see, this move. You cannot expect the price to just go in one direction. There should be a one bearish candle, and I think there's a high chance of this being a fake out as well. But let's see. I have already. This is Friday, so yeah. In Fridays are popular of fake outs as well. Let's just wait for this trade to play out. I think it can be a fake out. Because price has already moved a lot. Still took the trade. I'll be conservative on this. Bro, volume has started to kick in. Oh man. I'm just gonna break even this. Let's see what happens. Because see, if it's coming back to break even, just wait. Okay, one candle closed. High chances of me getting stopped out at break even. Yeah, it's fine. Made around 34 pips. It went in my direction, but it stopped me out at break even. It's fine. Good thing I took that trade. Let's just clean out these zones and just see. This is Monday, 17th Feb. Price was bearish, formed a support, formed a clean, went up, formed a clean range, got rejected from this resistance. Price is bearish at this point. Went and created a support as well. Sorry, a resistance as well. This support is a bit concerning, but let's see. I don't think it's concerning. If there's high volume, then that means nothing. Looks good to me, man, to take a sell. This is a resistance. Let's just take a sell. See, this flawlessness comes to you when you're in profits. And if I had 2-3 losses, no, bro, the stops is really high. The stops are really high. I think I should just keep it till this thing. But to be really honest, this trade doesn't look too good to me. Just put it to 1:2. Bro, I think I should go. Let's just take this trade. See, this is what happens when you are in profits. You don't hesitate and you take every setup you see. Let's see what happens. Oh. I think it's gonna stop me out. Yeah. I could just close over here. Let's just close. Wow. Yeah, it stopped me out eventually. You know why did I close before that? Because that candle broke its high multiple times, and I again saved around 0.5%. Or else I would have lost $100, but in this trade I lost $75. So this is how you reduce your losses. Yeah, I can give this trade a second chance as well. Let's just wait because it's really early in the day. It's just 10:30 at this point. Oh bro. Oh bro. Bro. Yeah. Got an L this day. Okay, now let's just this is Tuesday, and now let's just mark zones. Oh bro, what the hell is going on over here? So this is a resistance. This was a consolidation zone where a lot of traders lost a lot of money. Now at this point what is happening? At this point there's a support which has formed. Yeah, and if I just scale down the 15-minute, but it still looks good to me at this point. To be really honest, it looks good to me. It looks to me that price is gonna go up. Let's just execute a buy right over here. Did I lose my last trade? Okay, I lost $75. Yeah man, I'm still in profits. So let's just move. Make some money on this shit, bro. Yeah, let's just keep it over here. And I just want around 50 pips, bro. I think the target's getting too huge. See, why am I taking this trade at this point? It broke above this consolidation range, this green range for the price to move up. So yeah, and then there's a support formed over here on the 30-minute time frame as well. So that's the reason for me to take a trade. Let's just take a trade, bro, and let's see what happens. Okay. Oh, bro. Oh, bro. How is this move so violent, bro? Oh, no, 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 no. It made a low. Let's see what happens. 19 minutes into this candle. Would just trail the stop loss over here. So that even if I lose less. And then just sit back and watch this thing. I think it's 110% gonna go and hit my TP at this point. I have a huge intuition and conviction that it's definitely gonna hit my TP. Yeah, man. There is no chance for this trade to not hit my TP. Oh, bro. I take my words back. I take my words back. I take my words back, bro. Let's wait. Oh, bro. What the hell are you doing, man? Bro, no, bro. Wait, bro. Just. Bro. Are, Ustad. It has started. Which day is this? Okay, so this is Tuesday. It has still respected the previous low. So yeah, so that's the reason I'm still in this trade. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, bro. Just gonna sit back and relax. At this point, I'm just gonna put it to break even. So that even if I lose, I don't lose anything. Because now, price shouldn't really come back to my entry. If it comes back, then it is not a clean. It's not a clean move for me to take. That's the reason why I am saying this. Let's see. Oh man, I'm this close to getting hit out at break even. Still in the trade somehow. But just go and breach your high. Yeah, that's like a good boy. Just go, man. Bro, just go, bro. What the hell are you doing, man? Yeah, now I think it's gonna go and hit my TP. Bro, just go and freaking hit the TP, man. Bro, go now, man. Bro, what the fin are you doing? Oh, bro, be rather, or just wait. Okay, I'm just gonna manage this trade. This is 30-minute time frame, right? Let's just place. I wanna place my stop loss over here, because if now the trade has to hit the TP, there's no business for price to go and breach this low again. Yeah, if it does, then it's a choppy day. It should definitely go and just now hit TP. It's hovering around a bit more than it was expected to. Just go like a good boy. Yeah. Oh man. Okay. Done. I think the stop loss was really big, bro. See, price was 47-48% in my favor, but still the stop loss was really big. That's the reason it didn't hit my desired TP. But let's see how much did I make. Oh, I made around 1% this day. Good day, decent day, I think. Let's just go again. Bro, I really wanna I want to keep this video short, but it's not getting short. It's already 1 hour 9 minutes in. See, I'm not even looking at any other time frames except the 30-minute. This is support. Bro, Why do I see setups as soon as I sit on the charts? This is a clean setup, man. Price approach or support made a good bullish confirmation. I think I should buy over here, bro. Let's see if there are any rejections on M15. Oh, this is something concerning. Okay. Let's just wait for that next candle. Yeah, I'm gonna buy over here. Exactly over here. As it's preaching that high. Let's just place it to the 15 minute. Yeah, over here. There's a higher chance for me to get stopped out, let's say in this trade. I just have an intuition that I might just get stopped out in this trade. Because over here, price is ranging. And I am entering into a ranging consolidation phase. But let's just enter. Because nothing matters, bro. I'm just gonna lose $100 if I lose. So yeah, that is why I'm just gonna enter flawlessly. Let's just play. Okay. Let's keep it to just trailing this stop loss over here. Oh man, just see the move. Bro, don't retrace, man. Just hit my TP. Just go and hit my TP, bro. I'm not even asking a lot. Just go, bro. Hit the TP, man. Hit the TP, brother. Bro, hit the TP. Oh, bro. Nice. See, this is the trade. This is what happens when you are backtesting. And when I start to trade in my funding account, then I start to make mistakes. See how flawlessly I'm executing, how good I am taking my setups. Let's just quickly move to the London session. What happened, Vese? Okay, so it then rejected from here, and then it went up again. Okay, so what's happening over here? Let's just clean out the zones. You know what? At this point, I'm a bit tired as well because I've taken a lot of trades, and I read somewhere that a human brain cannot take more than 1 or 2 emotional decisions in a day, and I have taken multiple today. I have also traded today. So yeah, now I'm backtesting as well. So yeah, man, grinding is going on at this point in my life. Okay, so what's happening over here? So yeah, there's a clean win. So the price is in an uptrend. Just wait for the price to come down and maybe create a support somewhere over here. Okay, that's created a support over here, but it's on the 15 minute. It has created a huge support, but now there is a resistance over here as well. So yeah, it might get rejected from this resistance, which is quite possible, man. Let's just wait again. Wait for a 15-minute candle. Okay, bro. It has made a bullish candle which has closed above with a little to no wick. I didn't execute a buy over here because a little to no wick means a 50-50 probability for the price to move up or down depending upon your bias. Let's just okay. Now for me over here, this is a sell. Let's execute a sell over here with around 3%. Shall I risk 3% on this trade? What is my bro? The stop loss really less, right? Now, if are there any, there's a sort of a support over here. I think I should go with my static risk. If I hit, I hit. Let's just see. Why have I taken a sell over here, despite this being a bullish thing? See, there's a resistance over here. That's the reason why I've taken a sell. I think this is a bad trade. Let's just see what happens. If if it, I think it's a good as well. Let's just see what happens. Maybe I'm overthinking a lot. Yeah, bro, it just hit my stop loss. It hit my stop loss first, and then it's moving in my direction. Let's see what happens. Then I'm gonna tell you what was I thinking. I think there's a good probability for this to move down. No, there was not a good probability to move down. Let me tell you what was I thinking at the time when I said it is a bad trade, and I got that feeling. Mama, I got a feeling, and that feeling I got. So first of all, the bias is completely bullish, right? And over here, if you guys can see that this candle went and broke above this resistance. Then this was a next bearish candle. Now you cannot take a buy on a bearish candle in a bullish scenario. And this bearish candle is also not disrespecting that order flow. What does that mean? It means that it's not even breaching the higher highs and the higher lows the price action is making in a trend, right? So that is what is happening over here, and it's just one candle, and that is also not very strong. If this candle was an engulfing candle or some good strong candle, then this would be even higher probability. But yeah, man, it hit my stop loss, nothing happens, just lost 2%. Let's go to another day. Today is Friday. Let's see what happens. Right now, price has approached a support. Bro, this looks like a tough price action. Let's mark the 15-minute page somewhere over here. This is our resistance over here. Let's just draw this resistance. Let's see what happens. Oh bro, what the hell is happening over here? No confirmations for me. Oh man. Okay, so at this point, I think I can take a sell, but because the stop loss would be too big, so I'm not taking a sell over here. No, I cannot take a sell. See the 30-minute, man. Or should I take a sell? No, I don't think I should take a sell. It's a bullish scenario, but still. No, I shouldn't take a sell. It looks like a sell on the 15-minute, but on 30 minutes saying something else. So why go with something which is a bit contradicting? Let's just wait. Let's just wait. See, I knew it was a sell on 15-minute. Yeah, but I didn't take it. And we go against your plan. Okay, so this is a support over here. Price can move up. Doesn't have a good intuition for me. Yeah, I didn't felt good while taking that. So no trade for me this day. Plus it's a Friday as well. So yeah, let's move on Monday. Monday looks good to me. Monday looks really good. This is the resistance. Price has slammed this resistance. This creating resistances on 30-minute clean range are also over here. Clean range, cleanest range I've seen in a while. And let's just see this. Let's just see this, bro. Let's just see this, man. What the hell is going on over here? Man, I've gone retarded. Okay, so this is consolidating, which is a bit concerning because, yeah, we'll wait for this zone to break. Let's scale to the 15-minute. Yeah, I mean, this shit is somewhat concerning for me. It might just take support from here and move up, so we'll wait for a confirmation. Let's just place somewhere over here. Let's wait. Okay. Oh, bro, why did I skip 2 candles? I don't know what did I do. Bro, just move to the 30-minute now. I would have taken a sell over here, to be really honest. So I have mistakenly executed one more candle, but to be really honest, I would take a sell over here. Let's take a sell over here. I think it's still gonna. But what's the stop loss? Bro, stop loss is way too big. Way too big stop loss. Might go with that shit, but with 1% risk. So let's go with 1%. Target would be somewhere over here. And just see what happens. See, this is a trade which I would have taken in reality. See, this was a consolidation. Price went pro clean range. I think I should trade this. Let's just wait now. Let's just wait. I have seen the 15 minutes, so let's just skip the 15-minute. Okay, so it stopped me out basically. Very choppy day. I took this trade because in reality I would have taken this trade. Okay, man, what the hell is this? Let's scale down to the 15-minute. We'll wait for a good 30-minute bullish candle so that I can execute a buy. If it breaks below this, then I can execute a sell as well till this zone. If it closes bearish, I need to see a good candle, a good 30-minute candle. Yeah, so this is a good 30-minute candle. Let's execute a buy over here. Now you guys would be thinking that why the hell have I taken a buy over here? This is also a bearish thing. Now this was also higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. But see, this candle is disrespecting that order flow. It has closed above this higher high, higher low, lower lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and this high has been breached. So first of all, it's disrespecting that as well. And the second thing is that it's just a good price action. I have taken this trade multiple times. We'll just risk around 2% over here, and this is a good trade. I think there's a good chance that I'm gonna win on this trade. Let's just wait. I'm just gonna fast forward it a bit. see what happens. Wait, bro. What happened over here? Bro, okay. How much am I losing right now? I think I'm gonna close the trade at this point because if there's a high probability for this trade to hit my stop loss, and right now I'm losing just half of what my stop loss is actually. Now let me tell you why I'm gonna close this trade. Bullish candle, resistance formed, rejection as well, and yeah, I think it's a good rejection candle. Should I close? I think I should just close 50%. Yeah, that was a good decision. How much did I lose? Or yeah, saved another 0.5%. So this is how you save on your losing trades. What happened after this? Oh, I can give this trade a second chance. If this thing closes bearish. Oh man, this has closed doji. Nah man. Ah bro. Bro, what the fin is happening? Let's go to the next London session. 26th February. What is happening over here? What's the most recent support? This is the most recent support. Right. This is the most recent support. What's the most recent resistance? This. What is the trend? Trend is still bearish. Trend is still bearish. Let's see. Let's see some confirmations. Pro, no confirmations for me. This is in a range. Now this is also in a range because this is support. Okay, now this is a. I can think of entering over here, but pro, how much can it move? I think I can enter a short over here with a stop loss somewhere over here and a target of somewhere over here. It's a 1:1. I can also, bro, I can't, bro, yeah man, this is the trade. Should I take this trade? I think I should. Should I do it? I think I should. 2%. 1:1. Higher probability of this trade to hit my target. Let's see. Let's just see, bro. Why the hell isn't this not moving? It's gonna come back and make a higher. Oh man. Ah shit, here we go again, bro. Ah shit, here we go again. I think I'm just gonna. How much am I making right now? I think I should close the trade. Let's just close 75% over here. Ah bro, let's just let it run. Yeah man, yeah. Let's just let it run. Good trade. The idea of this trade was that this has closed and it's gonna go and achieved 1:1 over here. Let's just move to the 15-minute. Oh man. Oh, bro, I can also take a buy over here. But the stop loss will be really big. Yeah, let's just see how it plays. Yeah, let's just go to the next day. Bro, I'm excited to see the results of this backtesting thing. Bro, gold is free falling at this point. Let's just wait for a something to form over here. Bro, what the hell is happening? Bro, how can gold fall like this? Yeah, this is something good. I'm gonna execute a buy over here. See, this is a bullish engulfing candle as well. Good candle, good confirmations. But the stop loss is way too big. Just keep the stop loss somewhere over here. Place the order. Let's place the order and let's just sit back and relax and see what happens. Bro, why the hell are you not moving me? I think it's glitching. Why is this not showing me in my unrealized PNL? Now it is showing me something. Oh, just wait. Close 50% over here. Yeah. So this is what happened. This was a bit choppy, bro. How much did I lose? Oh, $76. Again saved 1%. Sorry, 0.5%. Let's just close this and let's just monitor this thing. Bro, how much will it fall? What happened then? Okay, so this was something bad. And yeah, man, this happened. Let's see what happened after this. Oh, bro. Oh, bro. What happened then? Yeah, then it went. I think it was a bearish scenario. I should have avoided a buy over here. Let's go to this whole thing is bearish. This is bearish, so I'm gonna look for resistances and only look for sells at this point. Just waiting for a resistance to form. Okay, this is the resistance which has formed. So many. There are projections over here, bro. Nah, man, doesn't look good to me. Let's see. This thing should break. Oh, bro, what the fun. Yeah, man, no trade for me this day. I hesitated over here. I had a plan to take a sell over here, but I saw these wicks, and then I thought, no man, let's go to another day. Oh, I'm done. Okay, I'm done for February. Let's see. The last trade was an L. Now let's just see the analytics. What have we done in this entire simulation session? I'm actually really tired right now. I took 40 trades. I took 18 trades in February. I made around 17 to 18%. Bro, just. Yeah, I made around 17% in February. Let's see, what did I do? Okay, this whole week. Bro, why is this being not counted? When I took these trades as well. How many trades did I take? Bro, what the hell is this? I don't know how many trades I took. I just don't know. I don't know why is this not showing me. No, I think these are the trades which I took. Yeah. Okay. This last week was a bit bad. Which day is best? Wednesday is best. London, Asia. Average trade duration is 55 minutes. Okay, man. So done for the day. Backtested this entire February month. I'm gonna backtest March and April tomorrow. So yeah, it's gonna be really good. It's gonna be really good. I'm there for. Okay, gonna gonna I'm gonna backtest 2 more months tomorrow, and then I'm gonna backtest 2 more months on the next day. So yeah, this was the session. I hope you guys liked it. वैसे तो no one is watching these videos. I'm just making these videos for me, but you guys are definitely gonna watch these videos once I am exponentially profitable, and then I'm gonna make you guys watch these sessions so that you guys know that these are the these are the this is the real grind you guys have to do in order to get profitable, right? Today at this it's 2:59 a.m. in Karachi right now. Everybody's sleeping, and I'm spending my nights backtesting strategies. So all of these things combined, and then these things give you results. So you really need to work hard with consistency, and eventually you get profitable. The lifestyle you guys are seeing right now, which I have in my future, has not come very easily. It has come with all of these efforts and these backtesting, these efforts I have put consistently, and I've done this for years, and then now I am at that level which you guys are seeing me right now. So yeah, I'm just saying this to my future self. Right now I'm broke as fuck. So yeah, um, hoping for the best. It's 10th December 2025 today, and I hope I'm gonna be profitable and exponentially profitable by the end of 2026. So yeah, done for the day, and I'm gonna backtest tomorrow again. So yeah.